Hi guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you something. If you have any old watch bands like this one, you can make books. Alright, so I just took and cut this one off. It was an old watch band, it didn't work. Or the watch, got a new one and the watch didn't work anyway. So this here is where I cut it. And then I took some of this really cool duct tape that I got from Dollar Tree, and I cut the duct tape. And you don't need a lot of it either. And they have this in several colors. So once I cut the next one, this one I did a little crooked, but once I cut the next one, all you have to do is take, I can get it to stop sticking to me, is take the book itself, and then you're going to line it right up with the top. And then you're going to make sure I got enough to cover it. Yeah. You're going to fold one side over just like that. Then you want to take your scissors and you want to cut that off. After you've done that, then you want to trim off that little excess. Fold this over just like that, and then cut that off. Now, if you have excess left over from where it folded crooked, just go ahead and cut that off too. Now you can straighten your book up because these are really easy to cut just by slightly cutting that off of there. And if you want to cut this off of here, it's fine too. And the bottom's okay. Now the funny thing is when you cut it like that, it puts a little gully in here. I don't know if you can see that. Like it's just barely like, oh, see how it's kind of like, there you go. You can kind of see like the half U up in there, which is kind of how a book page looks when you hold it to the side. So then you can take this marker. It's a white paint marker. And you can paint all of your edges. And then once you do, it'll look like this. And it'll look like a book. And it's that quick. Little 1-minute tutorial on a snow day. Hopefully you enjoyed that. And if you have any extra watch bands, now you know what to do with them. Don't throw them away. You can reuse them. And you can make different size books. And if you got different duct tape, you can do different ones. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, leave a question, suggestion, or comment, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.